Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 6. Textbook page number 130, Introduction of Algebra, the exercise 8C. On page number 130, you have the exercise 8C. Now the question number 1, 5x minus middle bracket 3x plus inside bracket 4x minus 2x inside bracket close and the middle bracket close. Now you have this question. First of all, you will solve the inside bracket. Inside bracket means you will solve this last two numbers. Other will be come same like in other line. After writing it, when you will subtract them, the answer will be 2x. So it's mean you have finished this bracket. Now you will solve this bracket, add them, the answer will be 5x. So you will write the 5x. Now you can see that plus 5x minus 5x, it will cancel with each other, or simply you can subtract the value, so the answer will be 0. That is the answer of your first question 1 part 1. Now you have the question 2. This is the same like question number 1, so I will solve the question. Now you have this question. Simply what will you do? You will write a plus 3b same, then you will open the bracket minus b minus minus plus 3a minus, then the inside bracket a minus 2b a minus, and then you will open this bracket, so the signs will be multiplied, minus a minus plus minus 2b. Now you can see that there are two values of b and two values of a. When you will add these both values, the answer will be 4a, and when you will subtract it, the answer will be 2b. Then you will open this bracket minus a minus minus plus 2b minus minus plus this a minus minus plus, and this 2b. Now what will you do? Plus a minus a will be cancelled with each other, so that's are the finish. Now for a, this 2b and this 2b can be added. When you will add them, the answer will be 2a plus 6b. That is the answer of your question 3. Now here is the question number 4. Now you have the part 4. You can see the question. There is a bar on above. So first of all, you will solve this bar. When you will open this bar, after writing the same question, minus a minus minus plus, the sign will change. Then in the next line, what will you do? You will solve this bracket. This b and this b will be solved. Plus 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 is equal to 2b minus a. Then in the next step, you will open the bracket. After writing the half question, this there is no symbol, it's mean this 2 is multiplying with this bracket. 2 to the 4, 4b minus plus minus minus plus 2a. Then in next step, 3 bracket 3a minus 4b. From where we get the 3a? This a and this 2a. When we will solve this, the answer will be 3a minus 4b. Now we will multiply this 3 with the bracket. When we will open it, 3 3s are 9, 9a. You can see that 9a minus 12b, 3 4s are 12. That is the answer of your question 4. Now what's your homework? You have to solve the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only the 6 question on your NEET copies.